Restore Part 5. The next thing I'm going to do is pull off the wheels. It's a little tight there. Now for the front. This particular bolt that bolts on the front wheel here is called a skewer. It's kind of like a twist-on lock nut. It's different from your regular nuts. These are quite handy because, you know, if you want to take your bike somewhere and maybe go to the store or something and you don't want anybody to take off with your bike, you can just pull out the wheel. Just turn that skewer and you're set. Get it here. Loosen it up some more here. There you go. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break this old chain. And like I said in the earlier segment, it's all gummed up and it's sticky. So I don't have a regular chain breaker, so I'm just going to do an old-fashioned way that I came up with. Got a little socket and a part of an old chain breaker that I'm going to use. You take a hammer. What I do is I set the chain on the socket and I just kind of hit one of these rivets and kind of flush it down. Okay. And you take this old chain breaker part, you put it on top of the rivet, and you take your hammer and just hit it. Just gotta kind of hold it firmly. It's you know, it's kind of hard. There we go. Just like that. Just go ahead and pull it out here. Go ahead and take it off the derailleur. Okay, well, that's going to conclude part 5 on Mountain Bike Restore. Get back with you part 6 and we'll go from there. Talk to you later. Have a good one.